Hazel, do you want a treat? Come on. See, she won't go past the dryer vent. Come on, Hazel. Hazel, girl, I got a treat for you. Come on, Hazel. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on, Hazel. Come on. Hazel. Come on. You can do it. There's a treat right here for you. Look. I've got a treat, Hazel. You are not a good dog. It's just a little steam. Oh my God, you're so scared. You want the treat so bad, don't you? Hazel, be brave. Come on, Hazel. Hazel, come on. Hazel, come on. Oh no, you're so scared. Look at this. Is this what you want? Come on. Come on, you know you want it. Come on. No, come on. Come on, Hazel, it's okay. Come on. You are just the dumbest dog. It's totally harmless. Come on. Up. Oh my God, Hazel. I have somewhere to be. You need to be inside. Let's do this. I'm not going to leave you outside. Come on, Hazel. You want it?